Okay, welcome back, beta. We were there in that roster and set builder form. I'm not going very fast. We are going very slow, and we are trying to understand the most important thing. Fine. So description of sets we have already exactly started. So now what we are going to do is we will be going towards the next point, types of sets. But before doing types of set, what we are going to do is we will be solving some questions related to set builder form and roster form. Fine. Set builder form and roster form. I can see the chats. So whenever you will be feeling some answers, means you are thinking of writing some answers. Okay, so let's get ready for some questions, because the more you will handle the question, the more you will be understanding the concept. Okay, I believe understanding concept will come when you will handle more and more questions. So I'm giving you some set builder form, convert it into roster form. You just have to say the answer, beta. What I'm saying, I'm giving you some set builder form. You have to write it in roster form. What you have to do? You have to write it in roster form. You have to write it in roster form. Fine. So what is the question given to you is A equal to X such that X belongs to natural number and X is equal to 2n, where n also belongs to natural number. Now convert it into roster form. Just say the numbers, beta. If you will say the numbers, I will understand. After that, I'll explain also. So don't worry, but these notations, notifications are very important to understand. So once you will understand, you will be able to answer the questions related to it. Fine. Kritika, Pavitra, Anila, you have tried best, but beta, here X is equal to 2n is there. And n belongs to natural number. Well done, Saranya. Now think one more time, beta. Here it is not x, x is equal to 2n. Here it is not x, x is equal to 2n. Then what will be the answer? Try and say. Rohit, Adit, Danish, try and say the answer, beta. Try and say the answer. X is equal to 2n given, beta. So now I'm solving it here. X is equal to 2n and n belongs to natural number. That means n can be 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. And exactly x is the element that is inside it. What is x? X is the element inside A. And x is equal to 2n. And n is natural number. So 1 by 1 start writing. When n will be equal to 1, then x will be equal to 2 into 1. That is 2. When n will be equal to 2, x will be equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. When x will be equal to 3, sorry, n will be equal to 3, then x will be equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. I hope you might have understood, beta. So that means here x is belonging to A, means x is an element of A. And what is the behavior of x? Understood what is the behavior of x, beta? Behavior of x is it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now my children understood this part, yes or no? Tell me, beta. Adit understood, beta. Here x is belonging to A, beta. You must remember here x is belonging to A. Rohit, Adit, Danish understood, beta. Correct. Super. I know, Saranya. Understood, beta. So now one more question I'm giving you. Try to answer the question. I'm giving you a set builder form and then you have to say the answer. Okay, because set builder form is tough. Once you will start cracking set builder form, then roster form to set builder form conversion will be very easy. So another set is B is equal to, look here beta, B is equal to x square such that x belongs to integer. Let's see how many of you can answer. Otherwise, I will be 100% answering beta, but you have to just try once. Think about x square numbers and x is exactly integers. X is integer. Think about it and say the answer, beta. Think about it and say the answer. Well done, Saranya. Well done, Anila. But Anila, one number mistake is there, beta. Yes, sorry, 4. Correct only. Now you are correct, Anila. You are correct, Saranya. Others, look here, beta. How to do it? So others, if you have understood, okay, beta, not understood, look here. Beta, now x is belonging to set of integer. Kritika also understood, she is writing. Well done, Kritika, but before 1 also 0 will come, beta. Because what is set of integer? So first I am writing set of integers. Set of integers. So set of integers are what, beta? Set of integers is exactly written as z, and z will be containing number from minus infinity to -3, -2, -1, 0, or 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, now x is belonging to z. Then pick any one of the element. That means -3 will become x. Now -3 is exactly belonging to z. Here, what you are taking, x is equal to -3. What you are taking, x is equal to -3. So -3 whole square, because they told that x square is present inside B. What they told that x square is present inside B. So that is -3 whole square. That is 9 is present inside. So shall we start from 0? So 0 square will come 0. 1 square will come 1. -1 square will come beta also 1. So what will be the set in roster form? The set in roster form will be 0, 1, correct Pavitra, 4, 9, and then 16, 25. But one thing is that beta, repetition of digit is not favorable. Means you cannot repeat the digit. Understood? So repetition of digit is avoided. Repetition of digit is avoided. Since repetition of digit is avoided, beta, so here you do not need to write 1 1 again, 0 0 again. -2 4 is coming, +2 4 is coming. So write only one time 4. I hope all my children understood how to do it. Adit understood, Rohit understood. Tell me, beta. Everyone understood how to do this one? Very good. Very good. You have understood how to solve these type of questions, and that is the best part of it. So now I will be going towards next question. So get ready for next question, beta. Adit understood, beta. Adit understood. Anila understood. Kritika understood. Okay, Danish understood, beta, how to solve this question. Danish, Rohit, beta, you have to note down everything. So once the class will be over, this video will be going to your group, and there you can see the video. You can see the video again and note down the content again in your note, because here I will be calling you one day offline to correct your notebook. Okay, correction of your notebook will be offline only. I will not touch your notebook. I will just call you in a place that I told you the place, and there you have to show your notebook, and there you have to write test also. Okay, tests will be offline. I will not be telling you to stay for a long time. That is a very highly what you called a clean area. I have cleaned that area, and there you are only going to stay for half an hour, 1 hour, write the test, submit me the paper, and let your notebook get corrected, and then you go. But I will not touch with pen or something. I will just see you. You only have to turn the pages. I will be seeing your work is done or not. So I hope, is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? Fine. Okay. But correction is for sure, beta. Correction will be done every weekly once. Okay. Because beta 11th and 12th, I cannot 11th notes beta. We will start with 11th note. Okay. So after the class, write everything one more time in your note, whatever we have done. And then you just make a note of it. And I will give you homeworks also. Fine. Then only I will teach beta. I love to teach only 5 to 10 children, but they must be called as the best student. Best student means they should not cheat themselves. It is very easy to cheat others, but don't cheat yourself. Okay. So do the work. So get ready for next question. Next question is very easy. Let's see how you are writing. Question is x such that x belongs to all letters of, I repeat, all letters of all letters of the word algebra. ALGEBRA. All letters of the word algebra. All letters of the word what? Algebra. Now how to write it, beta? You know, repetition of letters is avoided, repetition of digits is avoided. Just write a set and represent it how you are going to represent the set. Write a set and represent it how it will be. Write a set and represent it, beta. Just do it fast. Write a set and represent it. Very good, Pavitra. Very good, Anila. But Anila, it is C. C is the set. So you have to write everything. Kritika is the first one. Then Anila, you wrote set wrong. Pavitra, correct. Okay, set C. That is what? Saranya, correct only, beta. So here, what you have to write? You have to write correctly as in roster form, it will be written. C must be written. And then write equal to A, L, G, E, B, R. Beta, A is again repeated. So since A is repeated, we need not to write it. Bhumika, correct. Absolutely correct. So write that you have to write. So all the letters should be, see, if algebra word is in capital letter, write all the digits as, sorry, all the letters as a capital. If algebra word is containing small letters, whatever the element is, you have to replicate the element as it is. So I repeat, whatever the element format is, you have to replicate. So here, technically if only one person is correct, if I will say, and that is Saranya, because but Saranya is also not correct because she has missed C is equal to, because C is a set. Okay, yes Saranya, but you have to write C is equal to, so beta that is coming from a set and you have to replicate the set. I know Saranya, typing is difficult, but you know what, you guys are exactly giving me a hope of a new type of teaching. Seriously, I'm telling. A question answer session also, you are converting the session into very shortcut one and reflecting, and that is a very important one. Kritika's true only, I'm telling true only. In this pandemic time, how nicely children are cooperating, that is a very big thing. Saying I want offline class, this thing, that thing, it's easy to say. For a teacher also, sometimes I will think that okay, I will be giving offline class, but beta, life is more precious than anything else, and studies are getting very badly affected, and more or less we are going very smoothly in the tuition. Okay, in this class we are going very smoothly, and I want to continue this, whether I have to teach only few children, but that children should be obedient and should carry forward the work precisely. Okay, so staying in home also, we can give a world class what you call learning. We can take. Super beta. So get ready after all this lecture. My children are ready for next question. Fine. So now tell me, just write only the form x such that x belongs to all letters of the word, all letters of the word mathematics. Okay, then type only the letters what you feel for. Okay, Anila, Mathematicics. Awesome, Anila. Awesome, Kritika. Okay, awesome, Saranya. That's it. That's it. This is the trick what you have applied. So exactly that is what typing is tough, but you guys are typing so nicely. You are giving me complex. So definitely Mathematicics. Then beta M is repeating, no need. A is repeating, no need. T is repeating, no need. I is not repeating. C is not repeating. S is not repeating. Well done. Almost all of you have given the answer. Adit, Rohit, are you there in the group? Understood, beta? Quickly, you have to keep on interacting with me. Then only I will be understanding that. Then only I will be understanding. Okay, Rohit is telling yes. Adit, Danesh, are you there in the group? Danesh, are you there in the group, beta? Okay, understood, beta. Did you understood the concept? Did you understood the concept, beta? Okay, so till now, whatever I taught in class 11 syllabus, is it difficult to understand? Is it difficult to understand what we studied today? First, we knew what is set, then we understand type of sets. No, not the type of set, description of set. That is, set is written in two forms. What is called as set builder form? One is called as roster form. Okay, so now writing in set builder form is somewhat difficult, but writing in roster form is the easiest one. So first I taught you how to write in roster form. Now let us solve some question and convert it into set builder form. Okay, salt water. Fine, Saranya. Understood na beta. Your understanding is more important for me, beta. Yes, set builder form is smarter. Correct only, because set builder form is not specifically pointing anyone. Like a teacher is not pointing that Anila you come, Saranya you come, Bhumi you come, Kritika you come. It is not like that. Pavitra you come. Boys in boys like Rohit, Adit, Arvind you come, Danish you come. It is not like that. So what they are doing is, hey, class 11 student you come. So class 11 student means in general we are telling, and we are not specifying or pointing a particular one. Okay, till now you know what, you have given 75 chats. We have done 75 chats only in this 10 minutes, so I can understand your what you call answer level. You are 11th, beta, believe it, believe it. And if I will be true, this pandemic is not going to go so soon. We have to learn to live with it, beta. That is the truth, bitter truth. And coming time, the third and fourth wave will be more dangerous than this. Now, beta, one question is there.